Hi guys, if you want to know how to create a drop-down list in Canva Sheets, you are in the right place. First, click on the cell where you want to add a drop-down list. Then click on Actions, scroll down until you see drop-down and select it. Here you can see different presets, but we are going to create a drop-down list by ourselves first. So click on Create Drop-down. Here you have the option to edit, to change the color and to delete every selection. Let's type in all the seasons. Let's start with spring, summer, autumn and winter. To add another one, we just click on Add New Option and type in Winter. You can see here how easily it is to change the color. Let's go back to the original one. You can also easily change the order just by clicking and holding one of the selections, drag it around and change the order. Let's try a preset yes or no drop-down list. Click on the cell where you want to add a drop-down, then click on Action, scroll down again until you see drop-down, select it and choose the preset yes or no this time. You can see that they are already colored with green and red, and they also have an icon like a check mark and a cross. And that's it. Now you know how to create a drop-down list in Canva Sheets. Thank you for watching and see you next time.